Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to back up your pictures from gallery to Google Photos. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to back up your pictures from gallery to Google Photos, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to open your gallery. Once you're on gallery, next, I want you to find the photo or video that you want to back up. And once you've found it, just long press it. And you can also select multiple pictures to back up if you want. Just tap all the pictures you want to select. Once you've selected all the pictures you want to back up, I want you to tap the share button. And after that, you will see all the apps where you can share the pictures, but among these apps, I want you to find Google Photos. And once you've found it, go and tap it. And finally, for the last step, tap the upload button to save the picture to Google Photos. And after that, it's done. Your picture will now be saved on your Google Photos. Now that your pictures are in Google Photos, you will now have a backup even if you delete or factory reset your phone. However, make sure you remember your Google account credentials, as you'll need them to access your Google Photos. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.